In 2026, times are changing. I don't think it's like 2022 or 2023 anymore where you literally just give away everything for free because frankly, people just go execute it on their own. However, there's a ton of intricacies and it depends on what market you're selling to, how sophisticated they are, and it also depends on if you're selling a done for you service, a done with you service, or if it's a straight info product. So let's break all of that down today because there isn't a one size fits all answer. So if you're selling to a sophisticated audience who's capable of doing things themselves, I definitely don't think you should give away everything online. However, you can still give away a good amount. At the end of the day, these people are going to want to pay you because they understand that it's going to save them time and it's also going to get done right. They also understand that every business is different and how you would apply your information from your public content would be different for their business versus another that you may be used as an example inside of your content. So you want to have a nice balance between giving away a good amount so that they know you're competent and not giving away too much so they don't want to go do this on their own or make their team do it. They basically just still need to have like a couple pieces missing so that they understand that they can't do this on their own. That information applies whether it's a done for you or done with you service. But now if you're selling to a less sophisticated audience, like let's say it's for beginners or a make money online offer, it's completely fine to give away more. For example, you can do a 30-day dropshipping challenge, and in the challenge, you're literally showing them how you set up your Facebook ads, how you found the product, whatever it might be. But these people are just not smart enough in the B2C BizOp demographic to go and figure out how to do it on their own. They understand that they need someone to guide them along every step of the way. When you're recording your videos, most likely you're kind of unknowingly passing over things and not showing the exact step-by-step. And those are the exact gaps in a B2C person's brain that are going to make them want to buy your stuff. Now, as long as you're good at selling and positioning your offer, the B2C person is going to understand that if they pay you money, they're going to get the result quicker and they're going to have a higher success rate than if they try and do it on their own and they're going to have a million questions. So you can actually give away quite a bit if you're selling to the B2C market. If you're selling a straight info product, which is literally just course modules, you 100% should not give away everything online for free. In fact, you should give away a very small amount because then people will just not buy your course. Your course is effectively posted for free on your YouTube channel. Of course, the benefit of the course is that it's the condensed exact information they need, but most people won't see that as enough of a benefit to purchasing it. Unless you have specific things in there that, again, you didn't have on the YouTube channel, such as maybe it's like a swipe file or like exact step-by-step things or specific softwares you use or whatever it might be. Now, honestly, most of you guys watching this, you're probably not repping a straight info product. It's probably either done for you or a done with you thing, which in my opinion is better because it's higher ticket. And it's also much easier to market through YouTube because people are buying into you for your one-to-one help. And on the B2C side, they're also going to be buying your permission. They're going to want to be like, hey, is it okay if I do this? Is it okay if I do that? Is this a good outreach message? Is this a good dropshipping store? They just want to be able to ask you questions and stuff. So that's why you're fine with giving away a pretty decent amount of stuff online because people will still buy your program. Now, again, tying back to these sophisticated audiences, you need to be careful with how much you're giving away. It's more important to show that you're actually capable and that you've done this before rather than going in and showing the exact step-by-step of everything you do. So I know it's a bit of a twisty answer, but there's no one size fits all answer. It depends on the demographic, who you're targeting. But if you don't want to think about any of this stuff and just work with a team that already applies all of this into the content strategy that they would make custom for you and execute for you on a done for you basis, just hit that first link in the description.